Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get free gifts on the Temu app. So this is helpful if you want to check the free gifts offers available in your account and see how the process works inside the app. So first, open the Temu app and make sure that you are signed in. And once you are on the home screen, look for the free gift offer or the new user gift section. You see a button that says something like grab for free. Tap on it and follow the next steps shown on the screen. After that, you might see a coupon or gift offer. You can close it first, then go to the You tab or profile section at the bottom of the app. Look for earn credits and free gifts. Then tap it to open the free gifts program. And once you are inside, Temu may show a simple reward game where you can spin, tap, or claim prizes. Just follow the steps on the screen, choose the free items that you want, and select the color or option if needed. Then confirm your gift. And after choosing your gifts, Temu may ask you to earn points by doing simple tasks like tapping in the app or sharing your invite link with friends. So these points help lower the remaining balance until the gift offer is complete. And just make sure to finish everything before the timer runs out. And once the required points or invites are counted, your free gift can be completed. And that is how you can get free gifts on Temu. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.